In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo in Softr. This process is straightforward, but if you're new to Softr, a little guidance can go a long way. So, let's dive right in and make sure your branding stands out. First things first, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and use the search bar to look up Softr. Once you've found the Softr website in the search results, simply click the link to navigate to their site. If you have a Softr account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you're not logged in automatically, make sure to enter your details in the login form to access your dashboard. Now that you're on the Softr dashboard, you'll see a list of your applications. This is essentially your command center, from which you'll choose the specific application to which you'd like to add a logo. Simply select the application you're working on by clicking it, and you'll be taken to that app's settings page. Once inside the app, you'll want to head to the Settings section, specifically under the General tab. This is where you can customize a variety of settings for your app. But today, let's focus on adding your logo. In the General settings, look for the Logo option. Click on it, and this is where you'll decide what type of logo you want to use. You have two choices. You can choose between adding an icon and text option or a complete image. This flexibility allows you to pick what best represents your brand. Standard website components, like headers, hero sections, and footers, often need consistent branding, and having a logo can heighten the level of professionalism. So when it comes to making your choice, if you opt for the icon and text option, you'll discover that Softr offers a variety of pre-designed logos that can be used to represent your brand succinctly and creatively. Should you decide to go with the image option instead, you'll need to prepare two versions of your logo, one that's horizontal and another that's square. This ensures your logo displays perfectly, regardless of screen size and design layout. Upload these images by following the prompts in the logo section. After you've selected or uploaded your desired logo, there's one more crucial step. Don't forget to save your changes. This ensures that any adjustments you made will be applied to your application. You'll find the Save button at the bottom right of the settings page. And there you have it. Your logo is now integrated into your Softr application, ready to enhance your brand's visual identity. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on working with Softr.